What's going on, guys? This is me, Mehdi Shakil, and you are watching SSTec tutorial. So guys, in today's video I'm going to show you that how you can stream any video files from your computer into your local network using the VLC Media Player, and all the devices connected with your same network can stream or play that video from their device. So let me show you how to do that. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to open up your VLC Media Player, then click on Media, then Stream, then click on Add, then add your media files, whatever you want to stream. Click on Open, then from here click on Stream, then Next, then from here select HTTP, then click on Add. You have to keep remember this port address 8080, then click on Next, and if you want to active transcoding, you can enable it from here. I'm not gonna do that because the video is already formatted to H264 MP4. Then click on Next, then click on Stream all elementary stream, then click on Stream, then click on Allow. Now this video is streaming using this VLC Media Player. Now to watch this video, you have to get the IP address of your computer. So I'm going to open up my CMD. Then I will type here ipconfig, then press enter. Like this you can get your IP address. In my case 192.168.0.100. So guys, now you can see my mobile phone screen. Now I am going to watch that stream using my mobile phone. So for this I have to open up VLC Media Player on my mobile phone. If you don't have VLC Media Player on your mobile phone, you can get it from the Play Store. Then from here click on More, then click on New Stream, and here you need to type the address, which is HTTP, then your computer IP address. In my case 192.168.0.100. Then I have to type the port number, which is 8080. Then click on Fly. Price is $408 or $5. And guys, here you can see from my mobile phone I can watch the stream videos whatever I am streaming using my VLC Media Player. So guys, like this you can stream any videos from your computer using the VLC Media Player into your local network. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.